How to add multiple hairs on Roblox new update. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add multiple hairs on Roblox new update. First, log into your account on roblox.com. Next, go to the avatar editor by clicking on your profile from the top right corner. From there, select accessories and choose the head option. Click on the advanced button. Then enter the necessary assist IDs to add multiple accessories. For different hair options, select the head and body option and copy hair assist ID. Paste in this column and repeat the process to get multiple layers. Once you have added all the desired accessories, click on Save and reload the page to see your updated profile. With this new update, you can easily add multiple hairs to your avatar on Roblox. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.